Okay, so here we are looking at a QG kit VA3INB projector mounting kit. It has a universal design fit for most projectors. From QualGear's Pro AV line, remember QualGear, accessories that inspire. Let's open up this box and see what we got here. In this box contains everything you need. Do it yourself. Installation manual. As you can see, all my hardware is sorted out. So by following the installation manual and all your hardware, you can then install your own projector mounting kit from QualGear's Pro AV line, accessories that inspire. Okay, so we just unboxed the projector mounting kit from QualGear's Pro AV line. This model number is a QG kit VA3INB. Also available is the QG kit CA3INW in white and the QG kit CA3IN available in black. For more information on these 5 projector mounting kits, visit QualGear.com, now available at all our global partners.